Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold weekly analysis for your next week gold trading. So last week I was mentioned price dropped to the 1950 level. So that has dropped price last week 1950 1938 is the current price level of gold. That is the accurate analysis gold signals with telegram link is below. You can join with and get the more profit. So that is the price dropped from last week 19 below 1950 level. 1938 is the price now. You can join with accurate gold signals analysis. Telegram link is below. Get the more profit from that gold trading. So let's move that this week analysis. So I am using Fibonacci for this movement. Price is the what is the retracement level to identify the retracement level price. What is the retracement level? So this move I am in a daily chart goal, and this movement 0.618 level is the 1938 level. So price has touched that level yesterday, last Friday. This is the 0.618 level. That's the Fibonacci golden zone. So I am expecting price go to the upside, try some retracement from this level next week. And this is the golden zone, and also you can see the left side strong resistance is there. I am going to the line chart for your clear picture. So you can see the left side huge strong resistance. That resistance can be support in right side. Simple technical theory, resistance become support RBS. So that is the strong resistance. So that resistance will be support in here next week, and also in the golden zone 0.618 zone. So I am expecting price some retracement to the upside from this level 1915 1920 zone for your buy zone. So this is that the next week your economic data, important economic data in next week, that the CPI yearly reports of Fed American central banks expect 3.3% to drop the inflation report from 3.7%. So that the inflation reports drop, the Fed expected you will touch with economic data. So I am expecting price drop to the this level 1915 level, and again retracement upside to 1945-50 level, and again dropped. That's the target is 1900. So that is the my technically picture. You will touch CPI data report next week. Inflation report is there. So this is the zone. This is the yellow color zone for your buy zone, and go to the upside retracement and drop again to the 1900 level. So that is the next week technically analysis with economic data. So this resistance become support in here right side, and also buy zone is there. So that is the technically analysis for your next week gold trading. You have a buy opportunity from 1915 1920 level, and again expect to price drop to 1900 level is the my target from for not next week now, but long term target is 1900. So next week expecting to some retracement 1940-50 level, and again drop to the below side. So that is the my technically analysis for your next week gold trading. Get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmations. So thank you.